Hey guys, here's Louie, and on this video I'm going to show you guys, because I am up to the part of putting the sheet metal together for the front of the car. I will be showing you guys that own the first generation Firebird like myself, and you're trying to put it together, how to make Camaro fenders work for your first gen Firebird. Now, let me start from the beginning. So, a Camaro from 67 and 68 will fit, fenders we are talking about, the fenders will fit a 67 and a 68 Firebird. You need to change some things, but it will fit. Now, a 69 Camaro and a 69 Firebird, well, the fenders will not work at all. Totally different. But if you're building a 67 and a 68 Firebird, you can buy a 67 Camaro fender to fit a 67 or a 68 Firebird, or a 68 Camaro fender to fit a 67 or 68 Firebird. As for me, I always try to look for a 67 Camaro fender, which these two are here. The Ladybird owner, Scott, he brought me these fenders with the car, and the reason I'd rather pick a 67 if it's available is because I don't have to worry about the marker light. If you buy a 68 Camaro, you will have to cover the marker light also, so you're giving yourself a little bit more work, which is okay, because on my white car with the red HO stripes, I did make the driver's side fender out of a 68 Camaro fender. So one of the things you're gonna have to do, and look at it right here, 67 Camaro, and this is a repo fender. I hope it works good. But one of the things you're gonna have to do is weld up the holes for the emblems. They're right there, okay? And you're going to have to, here is the tricky part. So Camaro front of the fender has a straight edge, and then it curves up. Look at this, it curves up and over. And Firebird 67 and 68 just has a straight edge going around. So I have to fill this in, okay? And I'll show you how I do it. All right, my plan is to cut this metal out. It goes all the way out here. Cut this out, get a flat piece of metal, give it the curve, and start welding it into the fender. I'll bring you guys along for that journey. And then when I'm done with all that, I also have to get a template, which I'm going to use from an original Firebird fender, to make the holes for the Firebird emblem, which the word Firebird goes here and the little birdie goes here. So I'll bring you guys along to show you that yes, it is possible to get a first gen Camaro fender 67 and 68 to make it work on your bird 67 or 68. I'll bring you guys right back. Let me set up. One more thing I forgot to mention. So these are the fender extensions for a 68 Firebird. 67 takes something really similar, but it doesn't have the cutout for the marker light, because the government did change the law, and 68 cars needed to have front marker lights on the side. Well, this is an AMD repo fender extensions for 68 Firebird. I am not too happy with it, because this body line goes on from the fender extension all the way to the wheelhouse opening, wheel well opening, and it's not that great, because this is supposed to be a little fatter, okay, the line right here, and the curve is not that great. Look at the original. There's a big difference there, believe me. She's really nice and curved, okay, going this way. And look at how thick is this line compared to that line. Trust me, I'm sorry for the sun, but there is a big difference. So if you see the 67 fenders I just finished showing you guys in the beginning of the video, it will fit for 67 Camaro with changing this part of the fender. All right guys, so here I have it marked out. I have to cut right here and go around like this and take this off. Then here at the other work table, I have an 18 gauge sheet metal, also some spare sheet metal, which I'm going to be cutting out the metal from here to burn it into the fender. I have a hammer, a dolly. These are the cutting wheels I usually use. I have a grinder. I also have a grinder with a grind off disc. I don't really use that as much to grind off wells. I usually use my belt sander or this one right here, this angle grinder hand sander. And that's just about the only tools I'm going to be using. Of course, my welder. Let me go cut this off. I'm not going to record what I'm cutting because I think hearing the grinder is kind of annoying. But I'll start cutting here, and once I cut here and I transfer what I need for that metal, I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so that's what I cut off the fender, and as you guys can see, it's right here. Alright, because we need to get, and I'm sorry for the glare of the sun, but we need to get this straight. Okay, you see there's like a step right there. We need to make this straight up to here. So that's what I cut off. Let me hammer and dolly this section because she's wavy, and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, now that I cut the piece off, which is right here, I'm going to tell you what I have done in the past. I have fabricated the whole thing. This piece coming over here, and I definitely need to fabricate by cutting a piece of metal to burn into here. But what I did with this one is the Camaro one that I finished cutting out, I just took it with a hammer and dolly and I flattened it out. Okay, so I'm gonna burn it back in to its spot. Okay, because I couldn't leave it there. Remember that step, so she's down, I need to bring her up, so that's why I needed to cut it. I'm gonna tack weld her in there and cut the piece of metal that I need to fill in here. Alright guys, so I gave it a tack here and a tack there. Alright, and now she's going up. For Firebird, she needs to go like this, nice and straight. So now we'll cut a piece of metal to fill in this, making sure I am nice and straight. Make sure you put a little tension on your fender, because once you cut this off, she's flexing down, so she's flexing inside and inside this corner, and you want it to come out and also out here. Okay, so let me go get the piece of metal to burn that in. Okay guys, so now I have a straight edge here, and this piece of metal gotta get folded over. You see how bended she is? This piece of metal gotta be there, so that's the void I need to fill in. Okay, I need to fill in that piece. I cut already my template with a cardboard. All right, and I'm going to transfer that to this piece of metal here, cut it and fit it in. All right guys, so I fit it in the piece that I needed so I could make this straight and not the up and back down. That Camaro goes up and then it goes across, I should say. So I cut the piece and I'm burning. I just tacked the weld there right now. I like how everything is fitting so far. She's looking nice and straight. Here I will grind down a little bit, but she's looking good. That's the way she's supposed to fit, nice and straight and even. Let me keep on tacking away. I'm gonna have to grind here a little bit lower so she could fit more in. I'll bring you guys back while I did that. Alright guys, well, I welded everything shut here. She's nice and straight like she's supposed to be for Firebird, and I was able to weld the holes here shut. I'm going to be breaking this down, and these wooden horses, I originally made it for my '69 Firebird when I was rebuilding it to hold the fenders. And she holds the fenders for a 67 and 68 also, because I also used it when I did the body work to the white car. I'm going to be placing it here because I still need to do the Firebird emblem holes for Firebird, the word Firebird and the little bird. So I'll bring you guys right back. But so far this came out pretty good. I'm really happy how it came out. When I am done, spread a little bit of the fiberglass filler, the waterproof stuff, and a little sanding, but it feels really nice. So I'll bring you guys shortly. Alright guys, so I made a template here from an original Firebird Fender, and that's where your bird goes. Here's the word Firebird, and I used a gray Sharpie to mark it. And the word Firebird, the emblem, okay, these two are pretty much on the body line. The back leg here closer to the inner wheelhouse is just a little bit more on top of the body line, not exactly on the body line. And there goes your little bird, okay? And between this hole of the bird and between the first hole you're gonna drill for the word Firebird, okay, this one right here is 2.5 inches. All right, and for the first one, for the first with the first hole where the bird goes, so from the edge of your fender, it's about 5 1/8. Okay, 5 inches and 1/8 from here to here. I'm gonna go drill now these holes out, and you're gonna start from a very small skinny bit all the way up to 1364. I know it's not gonna focus on that, but this is the 1364, and it's the closest to the original hole on the fenders. So let me go ahead and do that, and here goes the work that I did to make a straight edge to match on Firebird, and also welding up the holes on the fender. I'll put everything in and show you guys the final results. All right, now, so I did my first holes, these two here. This is gonna be for the Firebird emblem. You see how that lines up right there? All right, and the word Firebird emblem, everything is lining up. Let me keep on drilling, and I'll bring you back once I'm done. Like I said, you're gonna stop at 1364. And for those of you guys that didn't know, this bird, the Fender bird, is cut unique. Okay, if you see that edge and you see the wing kicks back, it's because it rides on the shape of the fender. Okay, once you put it in, these wings ride on that body line. Let me finish. If I could bring you guys right back and see the finished results. All right guys, so there you have it, converting a Camaro first gen 67 or 68 into a 67 or 68 Firebird Fender. There you go. I ain't put no speed nuts yet, but she's in there nice, and you can see how the feathers just go straight down to that body line, and also the words, the word Firebird. There you go, fender extension, a nice straightaway there from when I put in the lights, the marker lights. Holes are welded up, some Camaro badges holes there. So I think this time is a win for the birds. They turn our cars to Camaros, and we turn their parts into our bird parts. I love them both though, because they both first gen F bodies. And like I always said, if it wasn't for the Camaro, we wouldn't have the Firebird, because we took a lot of ideas from them. Well guys, I hope you learned something. I hope this could help you with your builds, because like I tell you, there's way more Camaro fenders out there than Firebird. And like I always say, keep your hands dirty and your project will move forward. Bye bye now.